today's video we are going to do basic sketching, and we are going to follow these we are going to draw these exercise. They are 1 and 2, so let's go ahead and start with exercise 1. So here, once you open Fusion like this, there are some settings you need to have. Like for example, we'll be using these a bit more frequently. So by default it comes this way, so I'll just go ahead and change it to free orbit so that you'll be able to pan around through the canvas here. So go click create sketch. Once you click create sketch, then you can choose this bottom plane. So once it loads, then you can make a reference to what you want to draw. So here we are going to start with the base area. It is 66 millimeters by 42 millimeters. So also we have the chamfers on these two corners, measuring 12 by 12 millimeters. So we start with the base there. So before you start the sketches, just draw these lines here so that they guide you on what to do, or they ensure that your design is anchored on those center points. So first, you have to ensure that they are coincident to the center, like that. You notice when I do that, it appears darker. That means that it is fully constrained. It is fully constrained. So we need to convert this one to be construction line by selecting the line. After selecting the line, then you press X on your keyboard. Select this one also and press X on your keyboard. So now you can go ahead and grab this rectangle there, and you ensure that now it is symmetrical to the center. So you select that line there, and also you press Ctrl on your keyboard and select that. Then you select this constraint here and click symmetry. Then you click this center line there. So you do the same with these other lines. Select, press Ctrl on your keyboard. Then now you select symmetry. Then you can click that line there. So this one means that this object is now constrained to the center. So we can now add a measurement. Just click D on the keyboard, or you can just select the measurement from the toolbars here. So measurement, this one was 66. Then this one was 42. That is 42. So here we go. So we have our measurement in place, and everything is now okay. So from here we can go ahead and add the chamfer. So chamfer was 12, so just select that corner and this corner and add a chamfer of 12. This one is also 12. Yeah, that is okay. So once you add the chamfer, there's this hook here which is 12 millimeters thickness. So we can go ahead and also draw that line here, like that. So the reason why I'm doing this is that we want also to ensure that our timeline is neat, so that we don't have many sketches on our timeline. So we can go ahead and extrude. Just click stop sketch. Then you can just click extrude. You can click extrude, or you press letter E on your keyboard. Then you select that and just check the thickness there is 12, so you can fill the value 12 here, or on the design tree the other side. Yeah, so there's also the other bit, the vertical one, which here we haven't extruded. So don't worry if you can no longer see your sketch. Just come on the design tree on the left hand side and click sketch, expand that tree, then you can click show. So there's a little eyeball there, just click to show the sketch. So the total length there is 60 millimeters, like that. Press the free bit, then press and hold the left mouse and drag it around so that you can see the design. Once that is done, you can press escape on your keyboard like that, and we can now go ahead and hide that sketch. We have this fillet of radius of 21. You can come here and select that corner and that corner, and 21, feed 21, press enter. Yes, so this is now okay. Once you do that, now you want to draw this line here. Select the middle plane. So you just come here, sketch, then you select this plane here. Once you do that, then you grab a line here, like that, like that. To ensure that you are safe with that, just select this corner line here, then you press P to project this line here. So once you press P, click OK. So I can come here and select coincident, then I select that point and that line. Now you see it is fully defined. So I can just add measurement on this one. This one was 42. Then also you can add a constraint, so that because it was coincident to that line. So select the line, then press P on the keyboard, then you do that, and they are coincident like that. So once that is done, you finish sketch, then select this line, extrude, come to the direction, then select symmetrical. Symmetrical means that it will extrude both sides, because from the design here it is 12. So since it's going to extrude on both sides, or on both directions, just now you select the half. So instead of 12, now we feed 6. Then you press OK, and there we go. Now you open a new tab for the second design. Select that bottom plane, then you come here. So sketch number 2, we have this one here. This time round we want to use a center rectangle. You select like that, then you add measurement there. We have 98 as the length, width is 42, like that. Then we have this is 14, then that is also 14. So you can get the line command by pressing L on your keyboard, and that is what I'm using. So this one is also 14, like that. And also we check what else. 42. it seems you have finished everything on the base area, except I can't see some. So the total thickness here seems to be 20. Then this lip here is roughly 6 millimeters. So let's go ahead and extrude this base area so that we can see. So click finish sketch, click extrude, or you can press E. So this one, we are going to start with these ends. Then it is 20, thickness is 20, like that. Come here and expand the design tree on the sketch, under sketches, then click show. Then now we want to extrude the middle area. Just select that area, then click sketch. So this one, it is this profile, but it is offset by 6 millimeters. So come to this floating window here and start point. Now we want to offset by a distance of 6 millimeters. Then after that, now we want to extrude so that the distance is that end, like that. So once that is done, you click OK. So there you go. Once that is done, now we want to draw this end here plus these two holes. The thickness there is 14, and height is 21 plus 21, that is 42. Then this hole is 20 centimeters. So first let's draw these holes, then we'll mirror the other one. So this is what I'm saying. Come here and select that surface, click sketch. Then now we have select that rectangle, not that but center rectangle, like that. Thickness 14, that is done. Yeah, that is done. So you can zoom in and zoom out using the mouse wheel. Yeah, you zoom in and zoom out using the mouse wheel. So come here and select a circle, that way. Diameter is 12. The distance from here to the center is 21. It's 21. This is just by default. I don't think it is a half of the width. So here to here is 25. First we'll have to draw a mirror line and ensure that that mirror line is coincident to the center. Then make this mirror line a construction line by selecting the line and pressing X on the keyboard. Then now I can click mirror, features to mirror or objects to mirror is that. Then come here, select mirror line, like that. Okay. So now everything is in place. Now I can extrude these circles. Press E, letter E for the extrusion, then select circle 1, circle 2. Then you don't have to give distance within this one. Just after selecting the circle, select this other bottom part, then it will just extrude. Once that is done, now we come back to our sketches, extrude this to 42 millimeters. After that, adding the circle, select this face here, then design, not design but create sketch, sorry. you can ensure that this circle is at the center. Just click sketch. Diameter is 20. From the center to the center of the circle is 21. And let's try this constraint. Select the center of the circle and select this horizontal stroke vertical constraint there. Then select that. Now they are okay. So the circle is fully defined now. The fillet there is 21. Then you can go ahead and extrude that. Then select this other side because it is all through. So you can hide that sketch there. Yes, so this is we're almost there. There's a chamfer of radius 5 here, and it follow through up to the other side. So let's add that one. Come here, not chamfer but fillet, that one, this corner here, that corner, that one. So that is 5. Yeah, this is now looks okay. Then you can press A on your keyboard for appearance. So let's click paint, and we have blue. Click and drag, and you can see it is like that. So let's just stick with the blue and come to, let's make it red, metallic. Yeah, okay. So that is this is what we wanted to do. We created these sketches from this 2D drawing, and not 2D but from these sketches on this exercise. Yeah, so if you have any question, please let me know on the comment section, and please go ahead and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.